Working from home can stink, but it's not as stinky as our boss's 2-day-old microwave fish he'd eat every Wednesday during lunch break. Here's some better fish than his. Happy holidays, your former cubicle buddy, Jim.
2020 has been tough, but 2021 is gonna be tender. Wishing everyone a happy new year with fall off the bone ribs.
To Team from Ingrid Harris, CEO. The stakeholders know it's been a tough year, so here's a holiday bonus and some fancy steaks on them. Happy holidays. Wow.
To Team from the head elf. I don't care what Santa says, cookies are for chumps. Here's some Wagyu for all your hard work. Happy holidays!
To Team. I know you got a lot on your plate right now, so you might as well have some steak on it. Thanks for all the hard work, team.